Are we allowed to call you guys your names, or do we
Yeah.
need like a code?
No.
You have to
Wait.
press
Should
up,
we
up,
have a
down,
code?
left, right, and
Those
then you can pick a
fingers
name.
are syringes.
Oh,
That's not sanitary.
no, it's not.
Syringe fingers is terrifying. We've definitely determined that through Batman.
Worse than scissor fingers.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Scissor fingers.
Sorry, scissor hands.
Scissor fingers are scared of rock fingers.
Hmm. Group up with your teammates.
Team
Oh,
up with your
okay.
group mates.
You'll never find me.
I'm the hog.
You know what I think is the worst part? Is when the Mercy pockets the Sombra. I'm like, you have just disrupted her whole plan.
That that's true.
Freeze.
Bang bang.
Wow, that
Oof.
was perhaps what? McDonald Trump 122.
Oh no. Stop
Or it's
trying to kill
Minecraft
me.
Donald Trump. I don't want to believe it's Mick. It is Minecraft.
Heal.
Oh, Bastion got me. Tenzin Murphy. What is happening?
Everything can be hacked, and everyone.
In the
How long do you think that we have until people start naming their children avatar names?
A year.
Until I have a kid.
All right.
Oh, well then we have a decade or so.
Well,
isn't Caleb like 40?
wow.
No, almost 30. Rude.
Disgusting.
Well, it's okay. At least
I'm
no
so
one is
sorry
30.
for your loss.
Wow.
It's okay. We don't have any for 30.
Wow.
Thank you.
Who's calling me? Your mom is calling me, Julie.
Why wouldn't she call me?
Calling me.
Maybe because she wants to talk to me.
Well, why would she ever want that?
Because I had texted her letting her know about Target.
Dreams?
And now I feel bad because I'm not. This stupid Farah, I can't hit her.
Whoa.
I'm a Hanzo. I'm about to have ult though.
Look out. Okay, you see him.
Oh my god, no! No! I was 99%! No!
Good to be back.
Oh, I am so sad.
Oh,
Sad day.
I was killed.
Oh, you were Hanzo as well?
Yeah.
Ooh.
I was the one that used the ult and got a 5-player kill streak.
Ooh.
Really? I'm not disappointed at all.
Wow, it's amazing how much better Julie's audio sounds than Adam.
I'm sure.
Because I have, big bones.
Is that why?
Quite possibly the largest bones possible.
Oh man.
Ooh. Ooh. That was very
I
rude
will
by May.
protect the innocent.
May only knows how to be rude. She has no other setting.
You've got
Well,
such
there's
hostility.
there's Pajame, which is casually rude.
Oh.
Ah, I see.
Oh. Please stop, please stop, please stop, please
See?
stop, please
Isn't
stop.
that May? The May has no remorse.
You know, we may be dying.
We may be
But-
giants.
The
I like that.
payload is moving.
Man, I did my I did my blast off thing directly under the bridge, and I'm sad now.
We match.
Oh man,
No, dash forward. There you go.
I had 2 seconds left before I could do the
No.
absorbing by Sigma.
Oh.
Ooh.
No,
Do you want it?
No.
Jewel.
And we'll be streaming on your Twitch, right, Marcus?
Yeah,
No, it's fine.
So I'm finding out that it's very difficult to switch it up. You have to. Oh no! Zarya, please, no! You have to actually make your OBS recognize something else and forget what it is already connected to. So if I wanted to stream to our YouTube, I have to disconnect from Twitch.
Okay, well, we'll figure that out.
Hello. I don't know how to do this.
Well, then we're in for a good time.
Screams.
Uh-oh.
Too bad he aimed it at the floor.
Yeah, it went directly into the ground.
Ulting, May! Why
May.
do you hate me?
May, why?
Yeah.
She killed me 3 times. Oh, Adam.
I'll be watching.
Are you ready to be disappointed?
Yeah, go for it.
Julie, I'll
You're
help
gonna
you
do
either
fine.
not or to more disappoint.
Yes, I got the run. Oh.
Do I just sit? I
I
am a robot.
Yeah, go to the back wall. Okay, that's.
Uh-oh.
Oh God.
Well, I can't
Well,
help you anymore.
I've been dead.
I started to heal, but he was zesty.
Mm-hmm. We don't have to talk about that.
Ooh, I am the hog.
I'm white.
Nice. Oh, you're John Walker.
Oh no. It says something when just the mention of a name makes your blood boil a little bit. May, why didn't you die when I asked you to?
Healing going for me. And I'm Sigma again.
You're good with Sigma though.
No.
You're good with Sigma on Mayhem.
Yeah, as long as everyone else is very bad.
Oh, I was
Come on.
doom-fisted.
Come on. No. No.
that.
I avenged you.
Dang it. That May is almost dead, or at least was. Ooh, Zarya's almost dead.
Screams.
Sometimes one or both of you are doubled. For me.
Like audio-wise.
Yeah.
Mine picks up everything.
Yeah, she has the Kraken, and I'm using AirPods, so there's definitely going to be where if one of us is a little louder. Ooh, 2 Sigmas. Let's go. Let's
That
see
Sigma's
if I
almost
can
dead.
do this.
Yay. Good job. Murder the Tenzin. May, get out.
You will not die as Genji. Oh God, you might die.
I can't stand her.
That was with a dying breath.
Good. There's a Symmetra setting up turrets. Look out.
No, I will die.
Oh, I tried to keep them alive.
You mustn't tell me what to do.
Oh God. The Zarya just angrily came at me.
Don't touch me. I'm just a Genji.
Please stop. Please. Okay.
The fact that it keeps giving me Brigitte.
Oh man.
Ooh, that Reinhardt has. Oh.
Caleb, I like your ponytail.
Thank you.
You should get a real ponytail.
No, I'm okay.
Get a mullet.
No, please don't do that.
I want to be the junkie! Oh my god.
I'm under attack.
Ooh. Kill, take my controller. I am Mercy.
I'm Genji. And I have hair.
Can someone help with this Symmetra? Oh god, no.
Oh, gosh.
Killed me. And they have a Mei again.
Oh, I tried to
The
get
payload.
I tried.
I'm gonna get that Torbjorn out.
No.
Took my healing. That was the only thing I had going for me, and I'm Sigma again!
I'm telling you, it has favorites.
Maybe if we all sing oh my. If we all sing a song, then it will be to our favor.
They have 2 Torbjorns.
No, they
They
don't.
have 1 Torbjorn. I'm on my way, please.
Oh.
Kill, just die as Widow.
Bright side. We lost together.
Yes,
That's true.
as a team.
We're better together.